Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video we will see how to fetch title of web page, how to fetch URL of web page, how to fetch source code of web page. So guys, if you are new to this channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have not viewed my previous videos in which I have shown how to download Eclipse IDE, how to download Selenium jar files, and how to download Chrome driver and Gecko driver for automation using the Selenium web driver and the Java code. So guys, please go and watch the previous videos. After that you can continue with this video. So guys, let's start with our today's video. So guys, in the previous two videos we have seen how to open Chrome browser and Firefox browser from the Selenium web driver and the Java code. So guys, in today's video we will see how to fetch the title of that page on which we are currently working. So for that, let me make a new class for our today's video. Let us name the class as demo class 3. And we will select this option for static void main and we will click on finish button. So the class is created and this void main function is already present inside the class. So guys, in today's video we will work on the Chrome browser only. So to open the Chrome browser I will copy the code from my previous class. Let me copy the whole code so that the time is not wasted. So guys, this will open the Chrome browser and it will hit the website facebook.com on that browser, and after that it will print test case is passed. So for our today's video we will write our code before this statement for printing the test case is passed string on the console. So guys, to fetch the title, what we have to do is we have to write driver dot. So as soon as we write driver dot, all the functions related to the driver object are displayed in the suggestions box. So from the suggestions box, what we have to write is driver dot get, and then we have to press Ctrl and space, and we have to select driver dot get title function. So the get title function, it fetches the title of the web page on which we are currently. So to print that title of the web page that the get title function will fetch, we have to write system.out.println, and then we will print the title of the page that the function will fetch. So guys, it will print the title of the page. So to make it more understandable, let us write title of web page is, and after that it will concatenate the title and it will print the complete string on the console, and after that it will print this test case is passed string on the console. So in this code, what it will do, it will open the Chrome browser, it will hit the facebook.com URL, and after that it will fetch the title and this line will be printed on the console, and after that the string test case is passed is printed on the console. So let's save it and run it to check whether it is working as expected or not. So the Chrome browser is invoked and the website Facebook is being loaded on the Chrome, as you can see. So it is still loading. The title is, I guess the title is Facebook login or sign up. So it should be, the Selenium web driver should fetch this title and it should print it in the console. So it is still loading, that's why it is taking some time. Once it is completely loaded, then we will check. So now it is loaded. Let's get back to the Eclipse and check that it has printed or not. So guys, as you can see, the title of web page is Facebook login or sign up. It is printed. So it has successfully fetched the title of the web page and it has printed on the console, and after that the test case passed string is printed. So this is the one function by which we can fetch the title of the web page. to get to know that we are on the right page or not. So but in some cases, let us assume that the website on which we are visiting is hacked and it is redirecting us to some other website. So maybe the other website title is also same, so we may think that we are on the right website, but we are not on the right website. We are redirected to some other website. So in that scenario, we have to check the URL of that web page. So by checking the URL of the web page, we will get to know that we are on the right page or not. So guys, for fetching the URL of the web page, the function is driver.get current URL. So using this function, we will fetch the URL of the web page on which we are currently present. So to print this URL, what we have to write is, we have to write system.out.println driver.get current URL function. So it will print the URL of that web page on which we are currently present. So to make it more understandable, I will write in the URL of web page is, so it will print the URL of that web page. So first of all, it will invoke the Chrome driver, then the facebook.com URL will be opened on that browser, then it will fetch the title of the web page, then it will fetch the URL of that web page, and after that it will print test case passed string in the console. So let's save it and run it once to check that it is working as expected or not. So now the Chrome browser should be invoked. So the logs started generating on the console and the Chrome browser is invoked. So once it is loaded successfully and completed, then we will check on the Eclipse that the URL and the title of the web page is printed or not. So it is still loading, that's why let us wait for some more time on this page. Once it is loaded, then we will get back to Eclipse and check. It is taking some time. So now it is loaded completely. Now let's get back to Eclipse and check. So as you can see, first of all, it has printed title of web page is Facebook login or sign up. After that, it has printed the URL of the web page is facebook.com, and after that the string, that is test case passed, is printed in the console. So by using the function get title, what we do is we fetch title of web page, and by using the function get current URL, what we do is we fetch URL of web page. So that's the method to fetch the title and URL of the web page. So guys, you can get the code for the code of this video from my website, that is devdbqa.com. I will upload this code on that website and you can get it from there. And the code of the previous two videos is also available on that website. You can go there and get the code. So one more thing, in today's video we will learn that how to fetch the source code of the page. So guys, in some cases, like in some banking applications or in some secured websites, we are not allowed to view the source code of the page. So with the help of WebDriver, there is a function with which we can fetch the source code of the page, and we can inspect the element on the source code and use that source code for our automation practices. So for fetching the source code, there is a function we have to write, driver.get. So the function is get page source. So it will fetch the source code of the page, and it will, so to print this in the console, what we have to write is we have to write sysout system.out.println, then it will print the source code of that page on the console. So to make it understandable, let me write, what should I write? Source of the page is, let me write source code of the page is. So now it will print the source code of the page on the console. So first of all it will open the Chrome browser, then the Facebook URL, then it will print the title, the URL of that web page and the source code of that web page. So let me save it and let us run it and check that it is working as expected or not. So the Chrome browser is invoked on the screen and the Facebook URL should be opened on that browser. Let us wait for some time, it is taking some time, and after it is loaded completely we will check on the Eclipse that the title, the URL and source code are printed or not. So once it is loaded completely, then we will check on the Eclipse. It is taking some time to load. So now it is loaded completely, and let's check on the Eclipse that the source code is printed or not. So guys, as you can see, this is the complete source code of that page from here onwards. So on the console it is displaying only limited number of lines. For that, what we have to do is we have to go on window preferences, then here we can search for console, then this click on console, and the option that is limit console output is selected. I will uncheck this option and I will click on apply and close. So now let us run again the code and let us check the whole code is printed or not. So now the Chrome browser should be opened and the Facebook URL should be opened on that browser. So as you can see, the facebook.com is being opened on that browser, and after it is completely loaded, then we can check that the source code is printed on the console or not. It is taking some time, let us wait for some more time. I guess it is completed, few seconds more. So now it is loaded and let us check on the Eclipse. So let me make it large, and as you can see, this is the source code of that website on which we have visited. So first of all, it has printed the title of the web page, then it has printed the URL of the page, and after that source code of the page is, so after this line it has printed the complete source code of that web page, and after that it has printed test case is passed string. So guys, using these three methods we can fetch the title, the URL of that web page and the source code of that page. So we use this function for fetching source code of web page. So guys, you can get the code from my website www.devdbqa.com. I will upload the code on that website.
So guys, in this video we have seen how to fetch the title of web page and how to get the URL of web page, and at last we have seen how to fetch the source code of web page. So guys, if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you have any suggestions, then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.